Hello everyone, I am Divya, your math facilitator. In this session, we shall learn few problems based on chapter 2 of class 7, fractions and decimals. Okay, so moving on to the first question. So you have to find the product of 6 into 1 by 5. Okay, so here you have learned multiplication of fraction by whole number, multiplication of fraction by another fraction and so on in the earlier video. So if you have missed watching that video, then do check out that video by clicking on the I button. Okay, and if you are new to the channel, do subscribe to the channel. Okay, so now continuing. Now when you have something like this, you will just multiply the numerator, the whole number with the numerator. So 6 into 1 is 6 and divided by 5. Okay, so now moving on to this. So this is mixed fraction. You'll firstly convert it into improper fraction. So how do you do that? 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7. So 7 by 3. Okay, you will multiply these two numbers and you will add the product to numerator. Okay, so 3 2s are 6 plus 1 is 7 into, here also you will multiply, so 5 3s are 15 and the product you will add to 1. So 15 plus 1 is 16 by 5. Clear? Now again this is multiplication of two fractions. So simply multiply both the numerators. So 16 into 7. So 16 into 7 is nothing but 7 6 are 42, 7 1s are 7 plus 4 is 11. So this is 11 by 2 divided by 3 5s are 15. Okay, so simply you will multiply both the numerators and then you will multiply both the denominators. Clear? So moving on to the next one, it is 2 by 3 into, now this is again mixed fraction, you have to convert into improper. So 5 5s are 25 plus 1 is 26 by 5. Okay, so 26 into 2 is nothing but 52 divided by 3 5s are 15. So you will multiply both the numerators and then you will multiply the denominators. Clear? Moving on to the next question. A truck travels a distance of 8 kilometers using 1 liter petrol. So you have to find how much distance will it travel using 10 2 by 3 liters of petrol. Okay, so distance covered by truck using 1 liter petrol is 8 kilometers. So you have to find the distance covered using 10 2 by 3 liters of petrol. Okay, so how much petrol is used? So petrol used is how much for 1 liter? The truck is traveling 8 kilometers. Okay, so this is distance in kilometers. Okay, now for 10 2 by 3 liters, how much will it travel is the question. Okay, so 10 2 by 3 is nothing but convert it into improper fraction. So it is 10 into 3 30, 30 plus 2, so 32 by 3. Okay, so 10 2 by 3 is nothing but 32 by 3. So simple cross multiplication we shall do here. Now you see, at both ends you will multiply these two numbers. Okay, so 8 into, now 10 2 by 3 is nothing but 32 by 3. Okay, and whatever you have to the end of question mark, okay, the other end of question mark you have 1. So this you will divide. Okay, so divided by 1 is nothing but 8 into 32 by 3. Yes, so now it is simple multiplication of fractions. So 8 into 32 is what? So 32 8s are 16, 256. So it is 256 divided by 3. Okay, so the truck travels 256 by 3 kilometers using 10 2 by 3 liters of petrol. Moving on to the next question. Here Raja walks a distance of 1.5 meters in 1 second. So you have to find how much does he cover, how much distance does he cover in 15 minutes. Okay, so firstly let us convert this 1 by 2 into improper fraction. So it is 2 into 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2 meters. Okay, now in 1 second, time is 1 second. In 1 second he covers how much distance? It is 3 by 2 meters. Okay, now we want how much does he cover in 15 minutes. So 15 minutes is nothing but 15 into 60 seconds. Do you agree? So 1 minute is 60 seconds. So 15 minutes is 15 into 60 seconds. Okay, so how much does he travel? So again simple cross multiplication. Okay, now you will multiply these two things. So 15 into 60 into 3 by 2, and now here to the other end of the question mark you have 1, so divided by 1. Okay, so this is 15 into 60 into 3 by 2. Okay, now 2 1s are 2 30s are 60. Okay, so now simple multiplication, 15 into 30 is 450, 450 into 3. So 450 into 3 is nothing but 1350. So he travels 1350 meters in 15 minutes. Clear? Moving on to the next question, you have to divide these fractions. Okay, so 18 divided by 3 by 4. So 18. Now you learned division of fractions, so you will replace this division with multiplication and then you will reciprocal it. So 3 by 4 becomes 4 by 3. Okay, now this is nothing but multiplication of fractions. So 3 ones are 3 6 are 18. Now 18 is in numerator, 3 is in denominator. So you will cancel. Okay, so whenever you cancel, one number should be in the numerator, the other should be in the denominator. Clear? So now 6 4s are 24. You have divided by 1. It is nothing but 24. Clear? Moving on to the next question. It is 3 divided by 2 1 by 3. Let us convert this into improper fraction. So 3 2s are 6 plus 1 is 7 by 3. Okay, so this is again 3. Division is replaced by multiplication. 7 by 3 becomes 3 by 7. Okay, so you cannot cancel anything. So it is 3 3s are 9 by 7. Okay, now here 2 by 3 divided by 3 is nothing but 3 by 1. Okay, now again simple multiplication. So you will replace division by multiplication and 3 by 1 becomes 1 by 3. Okay, so it is 2 1s are 2 by 3 3s are 9. Clear? And now here 4 by 9, now division becomes multiplication and 4 by 5 becomes 5 by 4. Okay, here you can see 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4. 1 4 is in numerator, the other 4 is in denominator, so we cancelled it. Okay, so 1 into 5 is 5 by 9 into 1 is 9. Okay, so 5 by 9. So here in the next question, a swimming pool is filled in half an hour, it is filled 3 by 10th part. Okay, so in 1.5 hour, how much part will be filled is the question. Okay, so part filled in half an hour is 3 by 10. So part to be filled in 1.5 hour is how much? You don't know this, you have to find. Okay, so in half an hour you have filled how much? 3 by 10th part. Okay, so in 1.5 hour how much will you fill? Okay, so 1.5 is nothing but 2 1s are 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2. Okay, so now simple cross multiplication again. So you will multiply these two. So it is 3 by 2 into 3 by 10 divided by, you have 1 by 2. Okay, so at this end you have question mark, so this you will divide. Okay, so this is nothing but, now firstly we shall solve the numerator. So 3 3s are 9 by 2 into 10 is 20. Okay, so you have divided by 1 by 2. Okay, the same thing can I write it as 9 by 20 divided by 1 by 2? Is it same? See? Yes, so now it is very simple for you. So 9 by 20, division is replaced with multiplication and this becomes 2 by 1. Okay, so it is 2 1s are 2 10s are. Since 2 is in numerator, 20 is in denominator, you will cancel. You can cancel if you have something in common. Okay, so 2 1s are 2, 2 10s are 20. So now it is 9 1s are 9 divided by 10 1s are 10. Okay, so 9 by 10 part is filled in 1.5 hours. So that's all for today and I hope you enjoyed solving these questions. I'll meet you with next set of questions in the next video. So like this video, share this video to all your friends and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.